This 5-minute solution will show you how to link EA account from Xbox. Just follow this step-by-step guide. Open your Xbox and click on your profile. Click on settings. And under linked account section, you will get EA. Click on manage. Once you are here, you have to log into your EA account. I've already logged into my account. If you don't, you will get sign in option here. So log into your account and then click on manage my account and click on link or unlink my EA account. And here search for Xbox. All you have to need, just click on link. And now it may ask you to verify your EA account email address. Once you verified your email address, you will jump into this page. Here, click on link accounts to connect your EA to your Xbox. And as you can see, I've successfully linked my EA with Xbox. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.